Exercise 19.3. Today date is 21st. So about the first question I have already told. How will you solve the simultaneous linear equations graphically? So first of all, you will plot both the equations on the same graph paper. Both the equations you will plot on the same graph paper. Suppose plot of one equation is this and the plot of the other equation is this. So the point at which they intersect, that will be the common solution of both the equations. That will be the coordinate of the point of intersection will be the common solution of both the equations. मीन्स इसके कोऑर्डिनेट फाइंड आउट कर लेंगे. सपोज इट कम्स आउट 5,4. कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ दिस पॉइंट कम्स आउट 5,4 मीन्स x इक्वल्स टू 5 एंड y इक्वल्स टू 4. इट इज द कॉमन सोल्यूशन ऑफ बोथ द इक्वेशंस. इट इज क्लियर. नाउ वी विल डू सम मोर क्वेश्चन हियर, सो यू कैन सी इन योर बुक. गिव मी वन बुक. सबसे अच्छा है. Yes. Now all of you see here, I am going to do which question? Question number 7. So I am taking question number 7. It's clear. Use graph paper for this question. Take 2 centimeter equals to 1 unit. Take 2 centimeter equals to 1 unit means at the gap of 2 centimeter you will take 1 unit. Here it is taken at the gap of 1 centimeter, you will take at the gap of 2 centimeter. Means when you will write here, what will be this? It will be 1, this will be 2, this is 3, this is 4. Similarly here also, on the graph paper you plot this -1, -2, -3 and this is -4. Here in this side, this is 1, 2, 3. Here it is -1, -2, and this is -3. It is clear. So here I have taken. So first is x plus y plus 3 equals to 0. First equation is x plus y plus 3 equals to 0 and the second equation is 3x minus 2y plus 4 equals to 0. It's clear. Plot 3 points per line. So see here, how will you do? You can see here. First of all, you will make the formula of y. Don't make the formula of x. You make the formula of y. इसीलिए डिपेंडेंट और इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल बताया गया है. हम डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल जो कि क्या है, y है, उसका फार्मूला बनाएंगे इन टर्म्स ऑफ x विच इज द इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल. सो सी हियर टर्म ऑफ y इज पॉजिटिव, सो यू कीप y इन दिस साइड, अदर थिंग इन द अदर साइड. y equals to -x -3. It's clear. Now see here, suppose here y is negative. अगर y negative होता तब हम क्या कर देते, y को उस तरफ लिए जाते ताकि y क्या हो जाता, प्लस में हो जाता. This is clear. So here you will take y in the LHS, other things in that side. Then secondly, you will take one thing in your mind, that don't take very large values of x and take such values of x for which the value of y is in whole number, preferably in the whole number, or if it comes in decimal then it should be in 0.5. So here you can take x equals to 0. X equals to 0, so y equals to what? It will be minus 0 minus 3, that is equals to 0 minus 3, that is minus 3. Means what is the point? Point is 0 comma minus 3. Then you will take x equals to 1 or minus 1. So we will take 1 minus 1, because if you take x equals to 1 it will come out what? Minus 4. पर अगर हम x इक्वल्स टू माइनस 1 लें तो क्या हो जाएगा? वैल्यू कम हो जाएगी. y इक्वल्स टू माइनस x मीन्स माइनस x इज व्हाट? माइनस 1 माइनस 3, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 1 माइनस 3. 1 माइनस 3 मीन्स minus 2. What is the point? Minus 1 comma minus 2. Then you find out for the third, you take x equals to minus 2. X equals to minus 2, what will be y? Y equals to minus is there. Then in place of x you write down minus 2. Minus 2 minus 3. That is equals to 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. What will be the point? Minus 2 comma minus 1. You must write the point in this way. Now you plot it. 0 comma minus 3. 0 comma minus 3 will be this point. It's clear? This is the 0 comma minus 3. Then minus 1 comma minus 2. Minus 1 कामा माइनस 2, मतलब x में माइनस 1 के सामने और y में किसके सामने? माइनस 2 के सामने. दिस एंड देन minus 2 comma minus 1. Minus 2 is this. This. Now you join these 3 points. इन तीनों पॉइंट्स को ज्वाइन कर दें एंड डोंट कीप द पॉइंट्स ओनली अप टू द प्लॉटेड पॉइंट्स. यू एक्सटेंड इन बोथ द साइड्स, दोनों साइड्स में एक्सटेंड कर दें. एंड आफ्टर दैट यू विल इनसर्किल द प्लॉटेड पॉइंट्स. यू विल इनसर्किल द प्लॉटेड पॉइंट्स. सो दिस वे यू कैन प्लॉट. It is clear? Now we will plot the other points, other line also. See here. Now you plot the other line. This is 3x minus 2y plus 4 equals to 0. So how will you simplify? How will you make? It is 3x plus 4 equals to 2y. Means 2y equals to what? 3x plus 4. So what is y? 3x plus 4 upon 2. Now you take values of x. So start from x equals to 0. When you will take x equals to 0, y equals to what? You can see here 3 into 0, 0. 0 plus 4, 4. 4 upon 2, 2. So it is 2. What will you get? 0 comma 2. 0 comma 2. Then you can take x equals to 1. X equals to 1 you can take. Y equals to, it will come out what? 3 into 1, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 upon 2, 3.5. Calculation part I am not showing, but you will show. It's clear? So this is the point is 1 comma 3.5. 1 comma 3.5. Then you take x equals to that will be large, so you take x equals to minus 1. X equals to minus 1. What will be y? You can see here. When you will substitute minus 1, 3 into minus 1, minus 3. Minus 3 plus 4, minus 3 plus 4, 1. 1 upon 2, 0.5. It is 0.5. So, point is minus 1 comma 0.5. Now, you plot these points. So, you can see here the first point is 0 comma 2. 0 comma 2 will be on y axis. Then 1 comma 3.5. x में 1 के सामने and y में 3.5 के सामने. It's clear. It is 2.5. When you will take 1, so see here, it is 3.5. So where will be the 3.5? You can see here, this is 3, therefore this will be 3.5. It is clear? Now this will be the 3.5. This will be the other point. One point is this. एक point कहाँ? This point. Now see here. Then third point is minus 1 comma 0.5. Minus 1 is this, 0.5 is this. So it will be somewhere here. It is clear? Now you plot these points. You plot these points. Now you encircle these points. These. It is clear? So this you have plotted. Now after this, here you have to determine their point of intersection. It is clear? So you can see here. Write down the coordinate of point of intersection. So coordinate of point of intersection Here this point of intersection you can name. It is P. What is its coordinate? Who can tell? Minus 2 comma minus 1. So it is minus 2 comma minus 1. And then there is one more part. Measure and record the distance of the point of intersection of the lines from the origin in centimeter. Means this distance. Origin is this. O की P की O से distance निकालनी है. Means you have to measure this distance. Here this distance you have to measure. It will perhaps comes out 4.5 centimeter. You measure this 4.5 centimeter, it will come out. It is clear? So now you can see question number 9. Use graph paper for this question. Draw the graph of 3x minus y minus 2 equals to 0 and 2x plus y minus 8 equals to 0, taking 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit. So here on the graph paper, divisions have been marked in the same way. 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit on both axes and plot 3 points per line. So first you plot the graphs. So see here, here you will get 3x minus 2 equals to y, that is y equals to 3x minus 2. It's clear? Now x you take 1, when you will take x 1, what will be y? 3 minus 2, that is equal to 1. 3 minus 2, that is equals to 1. Therefore, it will be 1 comma 1. Then you take x equals to 2. X equals to 2 you can take. So, y equals to 3 2 ja 6 minus 2, that is equals to 4. Point will be 2 comma 4. And then you take x equals to 0 you take. When you will take x equals to 0, it will be 3 into 0, 0, 0 minus 2, minus 2. Point will be 0 comma minus 2. So, you plot these points. So, where is 1 comma 1? 1 comma 1 is this point. It's clear, this is 1 comma 1. 2 comma 4, on x it is in front of 2, on y in front of 4. So, see here, here it is this. यहाँ पर होगा. It's clear? This is 2 comma 4, and then 0 comma minus 2, 0 comma minus 2, it will be this. Now you join these 3 points. When you will join these 3 points, this is. It's clear? Now in the same way you can plot this. So here 2x plus y minus 8 equals to 0. When you will, now since y is positive, so you keep in LHS only. So y will be equal to what? 8 minus 2x. 8 minus 2x. Now you take x equals to 2. X equals to 2, so y equals to what? 8 minus 4, that is equals to 4. Means it will be 2 comma 4. X equals to 3. What will be y? 8 minus 6, that is equals to 2. You can see here 8 minus 3 2 ja 6. So it will be equal to 2. So it will be 3 comma 2. And then you can take x equals to 4. When you will take x equals to 4, 8 minus 2 into 4. 2 into 4 is what? 8. 8 minus 8, that is y equals to 0. Means the point will be 4 comma 0. You plot the points 2 comma 4. 2 comma 4, you can see here it is the same point. Since it is the same point, therefore you will encircle twice. You will encircle twice. It is clear? Then 3 comma 2, 3 comma 2, it will be somewhere here. This will be 3 comma 2. And then 4 comma 0, 4 comma 0 is this point. You join this. And after joining, you will encircle all the points. So already that one has been encircled. It is this. It is clear? Now after this you have to determine what? You can see here, write down the coordinate of point of intersection. So what is the coordinate of point of intersection? Who can tell? Coordinate of point of intersection. Intersection, this point you can name P. What is its coordinate? 2 comma 4. It is clear? No, sister, I have to go in the other class. Was only 2 minutes. So, and area of the triangle formed by the lines and x-axis. So, one line is this, other line is this, and x-axis is this. It is clear? You have to find the area of the line, area of the triangle. So, what is the area of triangle? What is the formula of area of triangle? 1 upon 2 base into height. What is base here? base is from this to this. Base is from this to this. Perhaps it is 3.3. It comes out 3.3. You can check. In graph paper, actual graph paper, you can check. This is 1, 2, 3 and it is 0.3. And what is the height? Height is this. What will be the height here? ये पॉइंट y में 4 के सामने, ये पॉइंट y में 0 के सामने, it is 4. It is clear? So 1/2, 3.3 into 4. That is equals to, so you can check 6.6 square unit. 6.6 square unit.